Welcome to our channel. TD Ameritrade app errors can disrupt your trading activities, but these troubleshooting steps will resolve most common issues. Step 1. Check TD Ameritrade's service status and system announcements on their website or social media for any known outages. Step 2. Force close the TD Ameritrade app completely and remove it from your recent apps before relaunching. Step 3. Verify your internet connection is stable and fast enough for real-time trading by testing your network speed. Step 4. Update the TD Ameritrade mobile app to the latest version through your device's app store. Step 5. Clear the app cache on Android devices through settings, or delete and reinstall the app on iOS devices. Step 6. Log into the TD Ameritrade website to verify your account status and ensure there are no restrictions or alerts. Step 7. Check that your device's operating system is up to date and compatible with the latest TD Ameritrade app version. Step 8. Contact TD Ameritrade client services if the issue continues, providing specific error codes and details about the problem for technical support. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.